You got that color. Yeah. Dude, that's sun. No way. All right, we're heading into the city. I'm here with my boy Darian.
What's up?
So today, what I want to do is I'm gonna force myself to use the 200 to 400 and get some street photography with that lens. That's outside of my comfort zone, and I'd usually use a little bit of a wider lens for city stuff, but I think that it's important to force myself to do things that I'm not comfortable with photography wise, so that I can grow and get better. So I'm going to force myself to get some shots with the 200 to 400, and we'll see what happens.
It's gonna look great. Can't wait.
Never gone under the park before. I'm always walking around out there.
Yeah.
All right, here we go. I already am upset that I can't switch to a wider lens, because the closest I can get, or the farthest I can get to this shot right here, is about that. Yeah, let's walk this way.
This way?
Yeah.
Okay. We can circle back and then go back to the hotel.
It'd be like less tough if it was a 100.
Say it again.
Oh yeah. Is that the green building right here?
Yeah.
Oh. We made it to the Omni, and I'm mad that I'm forcing myself to use this 200 to 400 right here. Because look at this. Because I can go real far away and take a picture. Path, we could just walk straight down and get a shot of the city from the path.
Let's do it. Yeah.
All right.
You're sure it's this one, not the other one? Remember, we parked right by the other one. You may be able to get to that from here, but
I think it's this.
these are the original WFA studios. Now they're over by the AAC.
Yeah.
But there's a iconic breaking news segment where this reporter runs from Dealey Plaza and runs all the way to the studio, like right as JFK was shot, and then reported the news like nearly out of breath.
Oh my
and like
gosh.
probably starstruck, you know, like of like, oh my gosh, I cannot believe I am breaking this news. You know what I mean? And there's still clips of it like on YouTube of like him bringing the news, and you can see him completely out of breath. It's like,
Oh man.
you know, from the 60s, you know, so it's also like black and white. It's just kind of surreal, you know.
Yeah.
This bridge might take us away from this, like, blocking everything.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking too. Yo, I can't believe I can just hang over this like that. This scares the crap out of me. And stand right here. Stand right there. Back this way and face me. Put your camera up like you're filming something. You got that color.
Yeah.
Dude, that's sun. No way. Yeah, you were right. We should have came on this side. Let's cross.
Peeping right over the bridge.
Yo, this is it. You were right. It was this side. I mean, we're not as far down from whatever, but this looks great.
Especially that one with the X's on it. It's so sweet.
That's the one that lives on my camera. That's the one that I use for most of the work I do.
Yeah.
Like if I'm just running gun shooting an interview or something, because 40 is pretty good. but the wide angle is really really good for video stuff.
Yeah.
If you buy it, you could probably buy it used for like 5 or 6.
Okay.
Or maybe less, because I think new is like between 6 and 7.
Yeah.
The thing about lenses is that they never really go down in price. Like sometimes they do, but for the most part they hold their value.
Yeah. For the amount that I use it, there's no reason to get a brand new one, right?
No, not at all. I would never. I actually would suggest don't, if you're not getting paid to do it,
Yeah.
and it's not like you're relying on your work,
Yeah.
like your income for it. Don't buy it unless it's used.
Yeah.
Because